Ooh, nice car. That's a dope car right there. Look at that thing. Ooh, nice car. Ladies and gents, good morning. Hello, ladies, gents. Vlog is here, and it's a new one. On this beautiful morning, headed to my favorite place ever. Oh man, this morning I woke up in the most devious mood. I was gonna make up excuses. I was in an excuse making up mood, and that's what this vlog is about, making excuses, which are not cool, man. Excuses are not cool at all. Is this gonna be Veselka? Yep, that's gonna be Veselka. It's gonna be cool. But yeah, I make up a lot of excuses. It's funny, I didn't sleep well last night, and it's like I wish I could blame it on anything but my own decisions. I basically ate super late, and I had like a bunch of cheese and stuff, and then I had ice cream, and then like I literally was just like, it wasn't anything like obnoxious, but it was late. So anyway, I couldn't sleep. My stomach hurt and blah blah blah, and then I spent the whole night thinking about crazy shit, you know, thinking about life and things. Oh boy, there's a bus stop there. That's shocking. Cannot pass a bus. I mean, we can, and we will. These guys really not gonna let me. Bro, you got a whole path in front of you. Alright, I guess they're on a little tiny electric bike. They can't do it. Love to make this light. No, also not gonna happen. Right. It's one of the. Well, it's gonna be one of these rides where, you know, we get held up a little bit here and there. Look at these folks. Now they're making up time. Now they're running red lights. I see what's going on. They got their own pace. They're dancing to their own drums. But yeah, I was all like, it was like very like, I was thinking about the most serious things. Like, I'm obviously growing up, I'm getting older, no longer a child, that I was thinking about like the concept of family and like relatives and what makes a home versus a house, and like, oh, like all sorts of crazy shit. Like, I don't want to get too much into detail because it's a little bit intense, but beyond that, yeah. So then I woke up this morning and I literally was just like, oh man, I'm totally gonna fucking make up a bunch of excuses and not show up to work. You know what I mean? Like, no, because the thing is, it's like I work remotely. I can easily work remotely, so it's not like I was gonna skirt the responsibility altogether, but I was gonna just, you know, work from home. But I'm glad I didn't. I'm glad that I ended up following through, and now I'm on my way to the office. It's still warm out. What's the temperature? 52 degrees. It's not bad. I'm wearing my regular gloves, no thermals, no nothing. It's not bad. It's not a bad temperature. A lot of traffic this morning, unfortunately. What are you gonna do? I mean, I know what I'm gonna do. So, I don't know. Serious life thoughts. I gotta get my shit together, you know? Like, my life is fine. You're gonna go there, champion? You know what I mean? Ooh. Beautiful. Here we are. That was a fun little jolt. A little bit of douchebaggery, if you will. Just get ahead a little bit. Looking forward to the work day. We got a lot of things to accomplish. Got a small list of things. What's happening here? Alright. I'm gonna have to get to the left here and get on the way. Telling me to get off here. That's funny. Man, I love this bike. What a bike. God damn. We'll just take it easy and relax. This guy's blocking me a little bit, but we'll figure it out. NYPD. No, that was a quick shifter. So today is Tool Tuesday as well, but not sure if I'm gonna hit it up. What is that? Is there a cop over here? Could have sworn I saw like some cop lights. Bizarre. The other side is moving. Fine, bro. I can't believe that person is on the shoulder. That's beyond savage. Like, yes, I'm lane splitting, but that person is on the shoulder in the car. Fucking everybody. Savage. These mornings, man, when it's dark, when you wake up, it's tough. It's a tough thing. The bike loves this temperature though, I'll tell you what. Like 50s right now, the bike is singing. It's fucking really enjoying it. Thinking about going to the right over there. I think it might be the move. I do enjoy that lane. Oh boy. What's going on over here? There's some sort of a commotion. Car crash. Who crashed? I think they just broke down. I don't know if there's any crashing actually that what happened. Look at this. And now there's no traffic. What a banana. Beautiful. I like this lane. I don't know why. Lately I've been enjoying this lane because you can just kind of like relax here and look at the city. You know, I used to walk here. What's happening? All of a sudden, at the last second here, They're gonna start playing games with me. Look, the whole road is empty and these folks are going slow. Oh, because everybody's going straight. Got it. Sick moves. See, I'm not the only person who's breaking these laws. Look at this shit. These kids. What are you actually doing, my man? Like, what are you gonna do? Like, pull over here or something? You like asleep? This plastic. Don't want any parts of that. Yeah, I could have passed this guy, but it's okay. We're just taking it easy now. I prefer it when they all stand still, because right now it's nor here nor there. It's not like he's gonna swerve, but there we go. Weird traffic patterns today, everywhere. Weird traffic patterns. 55 degrees. It's a little bit warmer. This little Honda Fit, doing Honda Fit things. Here we go. Let this thing go. Tis a taxi. And these are prime undercover vehicles. Like that thing right there. Altima. Well, I don't think it would be like the SR version, but the Altimas are perfect for undercover work. There we go. Slow down a little bit. Excuse me, sir. Oh no, I'm not gonna make it, are we? Ah, you son of a bitch. That's fine. That's okay. I will allow it. Alright, we'll go to the left. Just because straight is gonna be a problem. Park this baby up. Check the mail. Finish the vlog. Reply to this one person, email this one person, and then it's going to be 9 a.m. I got a meeting, then I got a meeting at 10. It's going to be a meeting on meeting. We'll figure it out though. Fine. Why is there an NYPD thing here? That's weird. I got surprised by the lights. What are you doing? NYPD traffic? Gaslight? Jesus. This day is just getting crazier and crazier. What's next? What's next? Look at this. It's like big truck city over here. Party Rental Ltd. Go ahead, bro. You got this. Are you going? Thank you. Appreciate it. That's a parking spot right there. Might take care of it there. Oh God, that's a spot as well, but I'd be scared to park next to that thing. Nah, I'm gonna park right here. These guys never disappoint me. We're fine. Yo, there we go. I always look at patterns, and the pattern says this car does not move. This van does not move. Therefore, nobody moves. Oh, that was nice. That was actually a nice ride, right? Only did a few spicy maneuvers, right? I won't even say it's like a crazy ride at all. Excuse me, sir. Did I pass you violently? I hope not. I didn't mean it, of course. Alright, let me get my little silly lock. My little silly lock. And then we lock this puppy up. There we go. Put this thing over here. Put these boys in here. Nice. There we go. Beautiful thing. Ooh, nice car. That's a dope car right there. Look at that thing. That's sick. That's sick. I do like a classic Beamer. Alright, just like that. Boom. Right? Bam. Fold these in for whatever reason. Talk to you later. Bye.